Hey everyone, this is Daniel from the family again. Today I'm going to show you my chili recipe. You're going to need 2 cans of sauce, 2 cans of kidney beans, some olive oil, my secret chili mix, 1 white onion, 2 bell peppers. You're actually going to cut them in half and only use half of them. I'm going to dice up the rest for a recipe later. 1 pound of ground chuck, a good chef's knife, and a spatula, as well as a skillet for browning and a trusty crock pot. First thing you're going to do is you're going to chop up your onion. Now, see that side with the roots there? You actually don't want to cut that because that's where all the tear stuff comes from. So you slice the other end off. Cut the onion in half. You're going to peel the outside off so that you don't get that papery stuff in your chili. Now the tricky part here is you're actually going to cut as close as you can to the edge without actually cutting all the way to that root ball I was talking about a minute ago. Make real skinny cuts and go as far as you can. Be careful not to clip your fingers. Now you hold the onion together and you're going to make 2 cuts in this about 1/3 and 2/3 of the way up. Cut as far back as you can without putting yourself at risk. And then all you have to do is start chopping and you will have perfectly minced onions. In the end, you're left with just that little piece of root. Now with the bell pepper, you're going to cut the top off here. Get rid of the stem and you're going to pull the core out and shake out any seeds. I like to cut my pepper in about 1/3 slices, and then I will sliver cut them and stack them all together and make a nice even dicing. So you take your third of the pepper, you quarter it, you stack it all together like that, and then go through and uniformly cut nice even slices. At this point in time, you want to put your olive oil in your skillet and start warming it up. Turn on your crock pot and pour in your kidney beans and your sauce. Let that start warming up on low. Now we're going to go for a world record in browning hamburger. Once you're done browning the hamburger, drop it in with the seasoning packet and start on your onions. I've gotten a little ahead here with fast forwarding, but you want to caramelize your onions, and once they get nice and translucent, put them in the mix as well. That's a full pepper of each, so we're only going to use half, so you're going to see me scrape half of it off. The rest is going to be saved for later. You close your lid, crank that joker up to high, wait about 20 minutes if you're impatient. If you're patient, keep stirring every couple hours or so overnight. Townhouse crackers right there are the best ones. Get you about a third of the sleeve of crackers, smash them jokers all up and stir it. Chili's so good that if you put it on top of your head, your tongue will beat your brains out trying to get to it. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed.
Well, that's all I have for now, but this video's not quite over yet. We're expanding, so I have to plug our other channels. Total, we have The Fangirl, dealing primarily with movies and shows, Say Halo Goodbye Gaming, and The Fanily Family Vlogs. Links are in the description, and we would love to see you at all three channels. Okay, I think that's it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed enough to like, subscribe, and share this video. We have tons of material across our various channels that you are fully encouraged to go check out. And if somehow you can't get enough of me, please connect with me on Instagram at sayhalogoodbye or Twitter at @the_Fanily.